Welcome to our channel, where today we're introducing the Linenspa folding metal platform bed frame, a versatile solution that eliminates the need for a box spring while offering exceptional stability and convenience. Crafted from sturdy steel with a surface grid pattern and anti-slip treads, this bed frame provides even support for all mattress types and can hold up to 1,000 pounds. With 13 inches of clearance, it offers ample underbed storage, making it ideal for kids' rooms, guest rooms, or smaller spaces, and its foldable design adds to its practicality. Say goodbye to frustrating furniture assembly, as this bed frame can be set up in less than 5 minutes by simply unfolding the base and hand-tightening the leg support bolts, with headboard and brackets sold separately. Designed with modern simplicity, it is purposely constructed 1 inch shorter than standard mattresses for added convenience, safety, and support. Rest assured, the Linenspa bed frame is backed by a 5-year warranty against manufacturer defects, ensuring peace of mind. Upgrade your sleep space with this traditional yet innovative design that combines functionality with style. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.